What is going on, guys? This is MG Beast, and today we're going to be doing a burp contest with Lifetime Productions. Alright, explain the rules.
The challenge is you drink half a thing of water from the
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Bye.
we're going to get into this pretty soon. So, Marco,
Yep.
you go first.
Alright. Oh yeah, sorry guys, that was just my mom telling that she was going somewhere. Alright.
And plus, we're doing this for the fans, so like and subscribe, guys. Okay, here we go.
Yep. Your turn.
Wait. I gotta wait a little bit. Let me drink this whole thing out.
The whole thing? God.
Oh, wait up. Oh, stomach. Stop, wait. Oh, it's coming. Oh, God. Wait a little bit. Oh. Okay. I gotta redo this. Wait up.
Hold on, I'm gonna try again. Oh, that was horrible. Oh, no.
So we'll have 3 rounds. Comment down below if you want the first round, if you want the second round, if you want the third. So Marco, I'll take the second round, or the first round. Okay, that was the second round, Burp. Let me put more water.
Okay, how many rounds is there? 3? Oh, frick. Okay, we're on the second one now, guys. Yo, Ann, hurry it up.
I'm right here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Oh, you won.
That sounded like a dehydrated dolphin calling for his mom.
I think I got another one coming though. Okay.
Alright,
You
my
took
turn.
Second round, I took first. So.
It's my turn, though.
Oh wait. That was the third round. That was just a random one. Okay, go.
Oh, great. Ah. Wait, do it one more time. I didn't hear you. Oh, God.
Oh, Marco. Look at a YouTube video.
Oh, my God. That was a good one.
Guys, you want to hear some uke? Some uke? Here we go.
I like some of that Hawaiian music right there.
Lit. Anyways, that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and like. Also subscribe to Lifetime Productions.
Yeah, there is a picture. This is his YouTube right here. This is his YouTube channel right here, okay?
Wait. I think I got another burp.
Oh, God.
Ready?
Yeah. I think I just won that one.
Okay, so that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the Burp contest. Next video that we'll do today, maybe we should play some music, Aiden, or do you want to play Battlefront 2 more?
I don't care.
You don't care? Okay.
Hey, how about we play Battlefront 1 and do like a tribute?
Like what?
Like a tribute to Battlefront 1 that we'll always miss it.
Oh, yeah. Like Heroes vs. Villains, Blast.
Yeah.
Alright, what should we do first?
I don't know.
Heroes vs. Villains.
We'll figure it out when the video's over. So, thanks.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next video. Alright, peace.
Bye.